Greetings once again from the black holes of South Dakota, United States of advertising. Stan Gibilisco back again with another little bit of advice for writers that actually arose out of something I just noticed about myself. I have this thing on videos. Actually, it's on my videos that I'm doing this. I keep saying, go back and watch the last one, the pep talk, and you will find I probably a dozen of them. That's one thing that every writer will do, no matter how practiced. Every writer will have certain little phrases, that they will repeat until they are not only exhausted, but dead. And not only dead, but condemned to hell for eternity. And not only condemned to hell for eternity, but become part of Beelzebub herself. Oh my God. Well, I don't do that so much in my writing. I don't use so much in my writing, but I know there are things I do in it, and there are going to be things that you do in it. And I'm not sure exactly what to tell you. I don't know if there's a program out there, an app. There's got to be an app, because everything's an app. I am an app. You are an app. The black holes of South Dakota is just one great big app. The United States of advertising is just one humongous app. So there's got to be an app that will find these repetitious phrases that every writer uses and help you, the writer, find them and get away from them. Now, I could go into the other thing, the triteness and all of that, the phrases that get into... I know Bill O'Reilly really hates that, triteness. I refrain with the greatest difficulty from expressing my amazement at that, but he's a great guy. I love his show. It's too bad I don't have cable anymore, But cable was just an app, and Bill O'Reilly was just an app. And now, I think I'll use this app to shut up, but reminding you to be careful about repeating these little hiccups. Even hiccups are an app. Dad, burn it. Till next time, so long.